Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's our morning time, drive time update, guys. And they screwed us, guys. They absolutely screwed us. We're going to talk about a whole bunch of stuff, guys. Get ready to go down the crypto rabbit hole with the OG in the house, guys. Are you excited about that? As I am. I'm super excited, guys. And I want to thank everybody out there, all my community, for showing up and showing out and showing some love in the community. Don't forget to remember, this is not financial advice. This is the OG in the house expressing his opinions, guys. And it is a great, great time to be alive. And you know, they screwed us, guys. And remember, none of this is financial advice. We're going to talk about a whole bunch of stuff. We got the inflation rate to talk about. We've got what's going to be coming, Ethereum 2.0, what's coming on. And also a friendly reminder to all of the Dogecoin holders out there. Don't screw us, guys. Don't forget the Doge. Don't forget to show the love. Don't forget to, participate, guys, because a lot of you forgot about the huge catalysts that are coming out for Doge, guys. A ton of catalysts for Doge. And a lot of you out there forgot, and I'm not happy. You guys got to stick with the plan. And, stick with the plan and love the Doge like the Doge loves you. Love is Doge and Doge is love, guys. So a lot of you have forgotten and given up out there. So yesterday we saw that the Fed released its inflation rate, and inflation sets 40-year high, guys. February reached 7.9% over the last year. OMG, what's going on, guys? So we're seeing that we got a slowing economy. We've got inflation running wild out there, and we've got a whole bunch of stuff that's just making the economy look like real kibosh out there. And a lot of you out there totally forget the fact that 7.9% inflation rate. What does that mean? That means if you're keeping a ton of cash, a boatload of cash in your bank, you're losing about 8%. 8%. So the value of your fiat is going down, down. So that is not good in the house, guys, gals, aliens, cats, dogs, and everybody else out there. So you guys got to smarten up, wise up. And, even if you have a CD out there, maybe you're getting like 2%. So you guys are losing money every single day. And I can tell you, everybody's not getting an 9%, salary raise every year, guys. So, you're losing money. If you're keeping your money in the bank, you're absolutely losing money. How does that feel to be a loser, guys? Don't be a loser. And that's coming in. So we saw inflation rate hit, 7.9. And remember, this is the reported inflation rate. And, I believe that if you go to the gas pump or you try to buy a used car, bread, milk, beef, chicken, all of that's going uppity up, guys. And you know it because when you guys go buy a bag of groceries, it's costing a whole ton more out there. And it's costing a ton more than it used to. And that is a Debbie Downer, guys, because it just means that you can buy less. So what should you do about that? Absolutely what you should do about that is take a look at Bitcoin, guys. Take a look at Bitcoin, and you can see that the inflation rate for Bitcoin is fixed, guys, and it's fixed, and it's going to, it's only 1.68% right now, 1.685%, and this is going down, and this is built in. This is absolutely built into the algorithm, the equation of Bitcoin, and that is, when Satoshi made Bitcoin, that was the main principles. It's like he wanted to create a cryptocurrency, was that it was a hedge against inflation. So from that perspective, if you buy Bitcoin, you're going to be making a ton more money in terms of fighting off the inflation, fighting off the Fed, guys. So they screwed us out there. The Fed screwed us out there. The economy is going down. Everything's going down. We got war. We got the madman Putin in Eastern Europe, who's raging war with the Ukrainians, guys. And I just want to say, if anybody from Ukraine is watching this, I want to say Godspeed, God bless, keep safe. My prayers are with you, guys. My prayers are with you. I already sent about $8,000 worth of Dogecoin to the Ukrainian government for support, guys. So I'm showing the love. I'm showing the support. So guys, support Ukraine. They need your help. Let's get it, guys. And you can see that, right now, about 92% of all Bitcoin has been mined. Guys, can you believe that? 92% of all Bitcoin has been mined right now. OMG. And, the last Bitcoin is going to be mined in about 100 years. So the next halving, we should see that, the amount of Bitcoin that's been mined is going to be around about 98%, leaving a very, very teensy-weensy fraction out there. So keep in mind that crypto is a huge hedge against inflation. And what I think, this is what the OG thinks, is that cryptocurrency is the next best thing to fight off inflation. And you can see that, with the whole buy Biden executive order in the House, and a lot of people were seeing that, it was a Debbie Downer, and, in fact, it was a lot better than we expected. So that is pretty cool news, and it just goes to show that the government out there, they realize and have reflected, and they've learned their ways, and they know that crypto is here to stay. Yeah, and I love it, guys. And so you can see that Bitcoin yesterday, it was creating this whole Bart Simpson pattern, guys. So, Bitcoin is right now around about 38,000, getting pretty close to 39,000. So we really need to see Bitcoin go uppity up. So that would be really cool beans in the house. So this is from the root in the house, the root of all evil. No, just kidding. And he's talking about liquid supply versus liquid supply. And you can see that the liquid supply is much bigger in correlation to the liquid supply. And the liquid supply is basically a representation of how much Bitcoin is on exchanges, ladies and gentlemen. And you can see that the blue area, which is the liquid supply, is huge, guys. And what that means is that Bitcoin is being hodled, Ethereum is being hodled, and a lot of crypto, guys, even the layer 1 solutions out there like Solana, Polkadot, even VeChain, Matic out there, Solana, Phantom, they're all being held, guys, because they know, absolutely they know that you're better off holding these cryptocurrencies. It's not financial advice, just my opinion. This is only for educational purposes. A lot better holding these than holding fiat in your bank account, because you're going to get, if you got a savings account, I think it's like 0.1%. And then don't forget, we got the Fed chairman. They're going to have the FOMC meeting on the 16th of this month, and then they're going to tell us how much is the increase in basis points. So keep an eye on that, and we could probably see that the markets are going to be just going sideways. Doing the crabby walk, SpongeBob SquarePants, the crabby walk in the house, guys. So this is a fun fact. You can see that Bitcoin's average daily trading volume is almost 60% higher than Apple's. Wow, I didn't know that. That is a fun fact, you guys. That's absolutely amazing fun fact. And you can see that right now that breaking inflation rate is continually sitting at, the inflation rate for Bitcoin, like I said, is at 1.7% and continues to follow a pre-programmed, fully predictable trajectory. So this is good, guys. Absolutely good in the house. You guys want it. I want it. So let's get it, guys. So other stuff, you can see that Ethereum 2.0, the amount of contracts that are being held is constantly going uppity up, guys. And that is pretty good. And we should have Ethereum 2.02 coming out very shortly. And, and that should be coming out Q2. Hopefully that'll happen. And, we're also waiting for the Dogecoin Ethereum bridge to come out. And, there's a whole bunch of catalysts that you guys forgot. We got the Dogecoin 1 mission to the moon. We got also Elon Musk is going to actually physically put Dogecoin on the moon. That's coming very soon. But you guys all forgot about that. And a lot of the Dogecoin holders have dumped, wet the bed, and sold their Dogecoin. And the rest of you that are holding Dogecoin, guys, toughen up, be strong out there, and stop blowing your load, stop wetting the bed and selling your Dogecoin. Hold it, because together we're strong. And if we keep selling and the Doge army gets smaller and smaller, that just weakens the whole cryptocurrency. And we've got almost over 1,500 retailers worldwide accepting Doge, for payments, guys. And these include like AMC Theaters, right? We got third-party BitPay that's also accepting Doge for various items. So if you have a BitPay credit card, you can use anything that credit card accepted and pay with Doge, guys. So that is cool. And we've got entertainment, internet services. We've got hotels that are accepting the pure Doge, not through third parties. So this is a huge catalyst, absolutely huge catalyst, guys. And we can see that right now, Ethereum gas fees dropped to the lowest since August 2021, and that is because the price is going down and people are just sitting on the sidelines. People are sitting on the sidelines, and I don't know what's going on out there. People that absolutely get it together and get moving out there, so that would be really amazing. So you can see Ethereum 2.0's staking contract now holds 10 million Ethereum, and the 2.0 should be coming out very soon, guys, and that we need to absolutely have happen. So that is going to be cool beans in the house, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. Absolutely a great time to be alive. So let's jump into the coins. Let's jump into it. Let's get it, guys. Let's jump into the coins right now. Woo! So you guys can see right now that the total market cap is about 1.76 trillion. The volumes right now are around about 57.93 billion, and the BTC dominance is about 42%. And that is not too good, guys. Absolutely not too good. We need the BTC dominance to go down, down. And if that happens, that is going to spark a huge bull run for the altcoins, guys. So if you take a look at the prices right now, we're seeing the BTC right now is at 38,851, and we're seeing that Ethereum is at 25. 554. And overall, we're seeing that BTC is down right now around about 4.74%. We're seeing that Ethereum is also down about 4% as well. And we're seeing that BNB is at $371, and that is down 4% overall. So we're seeing that also XRP right now is down 1.67%. So that's not looking too good for XRP. And we're seeing Luna Tuna in the house is up, guys, up about 0.5%, and it's at around about $97. So that is cool beans in the house, and Luna has been on fire. We're seeing that Solana is at $82.16, and that's down 3.76%, almost 4%. So that is not looking good. We're seeing right now that ADA is down 79 cents right now at time of recording. I remember when you watched it, it might be different, guys, and that's down 3.8%. So Avalanche is also down as well. It's at $75. That's down just slightly at 0.28%. So that is not too bad from that perspective. And the Dogecoin in the house is now trading at 11,638 in the house, and that's down 2.38%. So what can we say, guys? Things are not looking too good on the 24-hour basis, but if you look at the 1 hour, things are picking up, guys. So that is pretty good. So this is going to end this video, guys. I just want to say God bless each and every one of you out there. It's a great time to be alive. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. And remember, don't forget to go down there. Follow me on Twitter. Go down there. Smash the likes. Subscribe me. And if you love this content, if you love the energy, guys, if you absolutely love the energy, send a super chat, guys. Remember, all the super chats, all the merch, guys. Check out the merch. All of that stuff, the memberships go to charity. Yeah, you guys made it. I'm so glad you guys made it. You guys made it at the end. Go down there, smash the likes, comment. Tell me why you watched this to the end. Do you love the energy? Do you love the OG? I love it. You love it. Let's get it. Woo!